students, in this video we are going to do the book back exercise which is in your book page number 100. Okay. In the previous video we have learned about adverbs. Okay. So what are adverbs? Yes, adverbs are the words which add more meaning to the verb only. Okay. So already I said when you pronounce the word adverb, it itself gives us the meaning. What is that? That is adverb. That is, it adds more meaning to the verbs only. Okay, children. And also we have learned about the types of adverbs. Can I ask you how many types of adverbs we have learned? Very good. We have learned about 4 types of adverb, and they are adverbs of manner. In short, we can say like manner, time, place, frequency. I repeat again. First type will be manner, second time, third place, and fourth one will be frequency. So these 4 are the types of adverbs. Okay. And can you tell me what is the meaning of adverb of manners? That is manner. Yes, manner means it's talk about how the action is done. In short, I can write here how. Okay. So answer for the question like how the action is done are the manners. That is adverbs of manner only. And what about time? Yes, the answer for the question like when the action is done. When the action is done, it refers to the adverb of time. Okay. And third one, adverb of place. It talks about how where the action is done. So the question will be like where. W-H-E-R, where the action is done. So answer for this question will be adverb of place only. At last, frequency. It talks about how many times the action is done. For how many times the action is done. So here I have written the short hint for you, like short clue for you to complete this exercise. Okay. In this exercise, you need to find out the adverbs first. You need to underline the adverb, and then you need to find out which type of adverb it is. Okay. What are the 2 things you need to do? First, you need to find out the adverbs. You need to put underline, and then you have to find out from the 4 types of adverb it related to which type of adverb. Okay. So are you ready to do this exercise? Okay, children. So let's start doing the exercise. There are 5 questions given. So let's start doing one by one. First one, they have been tended lovingly. They have been tended lovingly. So here you need to find out the adverbs. I can give you some clues like some adverbs may end with ly. So it ends with ly. I can write here some adverbs may end with ly. So firstly you can see, is there any other words after the verb or before the verb? Can you find any other words which ends with ly? Yes, lovingly. What is the meaning of lovingly? Yes, romba anbag. That is one, right? So they have been tended lovingly. Adha vandu romba paasama anba vandu the plants vandu paatranga. So here lovingly stand for the adverbs. Okay, lovingly stand for the adverb. Now we need to find out which type of adverb it is. Okay, so lovingly means what? We can ask the question like for this answer, that is lovingly. So if I ask the question by using, let's go from last, frequency, like how many plants they have tended. No, there is no answer here. The answer is like lovingly only. So where, that is also not suitable. When, that is also not suitable. So how the plants have been tended? They have tended lovingly. So here it describes how the verb is done. So this lovingly relates to the manner, that is adverb of manner. So the answer will be manner. M-A-N-N-E-R. Manner is the answer. Okay. So which type of adverb is lovingly? Yes, it refers to the manner only. Okay, children. So let's go for second one. In the spring, they were gently planted. So here planted is the verb. Before the plant, I can find out the adverb which ends with ly. So gently is an adverb. the question I can ask like gently means what? Very softly, okay, softly or slowly. We already know the words, right? These words describe about what? How the action is done. So how they have planted, they were planted gently. Gently means softly, right? So when we are talking about how the action is done, no, that refers to what, children? Where is how? Yes, manner. So this also the manner adverb only, that is adverb of manner only. So I am going to write M-A-N-N-E-R. Manner is the correct answer. Okay. So let's do the third one. Then they were showered. Well with summer sunshine. Then they were, here they were means they are talking about the plants. Okay. Then they were showered well with summer sunshine. So you need to first get the meaning of the sentence. அது எல்லாமே அந்த plants எல்லாமே நல்லா shower means what? Spring water. Okay. அதுக்கு எல்லாமே நல்லா தண்ணி ஊத்துனாங்க with summer sunshine. சன்னோடைய லைட்டும் அது மேல வந்து பட்டுச்சு. Okay. So here how did they shower? You can see shower is the verb. Is there any words which describe about the shower? Here the verb is, the action is showered only. Okay. Showerங்கிறது இங்க வந்து verb. ஓகேவா? அப்போ அதை describe பண்றதுக்கு ஏதாவது words இருக்கா? How did they shower? இப்போ how did they shower நான் கேட்டேனா what will be the answer? Well, right? They showered well. நல்லாவே அதுக்கு வந்து தண்ணி ஊத்துனாங்க. So well is an adverb. Okay. And also it talks about how they have showered. எப்படி வந்து shower பண்ணாங்க, எங்க shower பண்ணாங்கன்னு கொடுக்கல. Well means how they have showered. Okay. So how அப்படினா அந்த question வந்தாலே that refers to what, children? Yes, manner only. So can you find any other adverbs here? With summer sunshine. So here summer sunshine கூடயும் இத வந்து நல்லாவே என்ன பண்ணாங்க, shower பண்ணாங்க. So this too also refers to the manner only. So the answer will be manner. So all first three questions answer will be referred to the adverb of manners only, children. Okay. So let's go for fourth one. We took out the weeds every day. So I'll tell you the Tamil translation for this sentence. We took out the weeds every day. நாங்க வந்து அங்க இருந்த அந்த தேவையில்லாத செடிலாம் இருக்கும் தெரியுமா, அது எல்லாமே நாங்க வந்து எடுத்துட்டோம். ஓகேவா? எப்பவுமே ஒரு பிளான்ட்க்கு பக்கத்துல ஒரு தேவையில்லாத ஒரு plants எல்லாம் வளரும். ஓகேவா? சோ அதுதான் வந்து என்னன்னு சொல்வாங்க weeds. ஓகே. சோ அது எல்லாமே நாங்க every day daily வந்து அத நாம எடுப்போம். So here can you find the adverbs? Yes. So mostly adverbs will come before the verb or after the verb or at the end of the sentence. So here can you find any other words? Yes, here we took out the weeds every day. So here every day it's talk about how many times they have taken the weeds. Okay, இது question நம்ம எப்படி கேட்கலாம்னா எத்தனை தடவை நீங்க வந்து அந்த weeds எடுத்துட்டீங்க அப்படி நம்ம கேட்கலாம் இல்லையா? So that the answer will be like every day. Okay, how many times நான் யூஸ் பண்ணி question கேக்குறேனா it refers to which type of adverb, children? Whether it refers to the manner, time, place or frequency. Above you can see how use பண்ணி நான் question கேட்டானா that will be manner. When use பண்ணி கேட்டா that refers to time. Where கேட்டா that refers to place. How many times nada frequency. Appo every day stands for which type of adverb? Very good, that is frequency. See, the answer will be frequency. Okay. So frequency, adverb of frequency talk about how many times the action is done. So how many times they have took out the weeds? Every day only. Okay. So let's go for final one, that is the flowers often swing gracefully in the wind. The flowers often swing gracefully in the wind. இந்த flowers எல்லாம் வந்து காத்து அடிச்சுச்சுனா அது அடிக்கடி எப்பலாம் காத்து அடிக்குதோ அடிக்கடி காத்து வரும் அந்த டைம்ல வந்து ரொம்ப அழகா graceful means ரொம்ப அழகாவே அது வந்து swing ஆகும். அதாவது இந்த பக்கம் இந்த மாதிரி ஊஞ்சல் ஆடுற மாதிரி அது வந்து போகும். This is the Tamil meaning for this sentence. Now you need to find out the adverb first. So the flowers often, I already told you often means adikadi. So here the often also an adverb only. So I and when இது வந்து எப்போ வந்து இது வந்து swing ஆகும் in the wind. So here there are three adverbs children. See, the flowers often swing gracefully in the wind. Okay, இது வந்து எப்போ. So often na we know let's talk about how many times. That refers to adverb of frequency only. Okay, so எப்பலாம் வந்து swing ஆகும் இது வந்து அடிக்கடி ஆகும் often. எப்படி how it will swing gracefully. Okay, gracefully means ரொம்ப அழகா அது எப்படி வந்து swing ஆகும் ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி எந்த டைம்ல எப்பலாம் வந்து அது வந்து ஊஞ்சல் ஆடுற மாதிரி swing ஆகும் in the wind காத்து வரும்போது தான். So there are three adverbs. Let's write the type of adverb. So often means அடிக்கடி அடிக்கடினா எத்தனை தடவை. So often refers to adverb of frequency. So I need to write frequency. Then gracefully means it's talk about how the action is done. Okay, like that is gracefully means how the action is done. It refers to adverb of manner. So I need to write manner. And finally in the wind எப்போ வந்து இது வந்து இந்த மாதிரி மூவ் ஆகும் இது வந்து காத்து அடிக்கும் போது தான். So எப்போ means when. So when refers to adverb of time. So the answer will be time, adverb of time. So I need to underline this answer. So for the first question the answer I have the adverb I have found out that is lovingly. It refers to manner. So second question the adverb will be gently. It refers to the manner only. And for the third question the adverbs are well and summer sunshine and they both refers to the adverb of manner. And fourth one here we have found the adverb that is everyday and it refers to adverb of frequency. And finally we have found three adverbs. First one often it refers to adverb of frequency. Second gracefully it refers to adverb of manner. At last in the end it refers to the adverb of time. So I hope you are clear with this exercise children. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.